Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you my next trade setup here on the Matic chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.678 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And you can see that in the past few hours, we had this bounce to the upper side after reacting to this key area of support in a movement that gave us a break above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts. And now all I'm watching out here on the Matic chart is a successful retest of this break above this descending trend line. And once the retest is in and a success, then from that point we can easily see Matic give us another pump and give us a high above the $0.7114 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance. And a break above that key area of resistance, we can watch out for a successful retest, and then from that point we can continue gearing up to the upper side. And here I have a long trade. The moment we see a 4-hour close, that is a successful retest of this descending trend line here on the charts, where I will be opening a long trade at around the $0.72 mark, having my target areas at around the $0.74 mark and my stop loss below the low that you have at around the $0.665 mark, because I don't want to see Matic lose that significant low here on the charts. And remember, that is not financial advice, so do your own research before opening a trade just like me. And also zooming out on the charts to also give you my Elliot analysis here on the Matic chart, you can see that after seeing our 10th of June low at around the $0.52 mark, we started gearing up, where we first put in place this 1-2 setup to the upper side. And after seeing the 1-2 setup, you can see that we have now been able to complete the formation of this wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum retracement areas. And soon I'm expecting to see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively once more in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.9841 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And zooming out on the charts to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing the June lows at around the $0.32 mark, we picked in this 5-wave structure to the upper side, having a high at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw this breakdown in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we are going to see this massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting Matic to get above the $2 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And for us to get a confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave, we first need to see Matic give us a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, and that should be followed by an ABC corrective structure. And the moment you see such a movement on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.